Welcome, horn aficionados, to the Great Honk-Off. I'm about to embark on a sonic adventure to discover who has the funniest, weirdest, or most outrageous car horn in town. And remember, folks, we've got permission for all of these, said with excitement and playfulness. Our first contestant is a classic sedan. Let's see what she's got. I said with anticipation. You hear the sound of a weak, high-pitched meep horn. Oh dear, that's less car horn and more tiny squeak toy. Points for cuteness, though, I remarked humorously and gently. Next up, we have a rugged-looking SUV. I'm expecting something beefy, I said hopefully and expectantly. You hear the sound of a standard, loud car horn. Solid, a good, reliable honk. Gets the job done, but not exactly a symphony of hilarity. Functional, but falls in the middle, I observed objectively and with slight underwhelm. All right, now this is